Good morning from our forest campsite here in Belgium. It's 6 o'clock and it's time to pack up. Just pulling ticks off myself. Fuck. None of them have attached so far. We'll have to check ourselves a bit better, I think, when we stop. We're just here at the supermarket getting some supplies. Very close to Brussels now. We just stopped to look at this great big monument to atomic energy, the Atomium. I think it was built for some kind of expo. We appreciate it. It's futuristic.
There's 4 k's left to go to the city centre of Brussels, and we're going to get some waffles and a beer.
I think a lot of the people in this town have been up since last night.
Yeah, looks like it.
Stopped for a break here in the palace grounds in Brussels. So hot, it's like 30 degrees already. Finally found some shade in a nice quiet spot in Brussels. Tonight, we're gonna get ourselves a hotel to celebrate 1 month on the road.
Sounds real good.
And I'm looking forward to sleeping in a bed. It's been a very long time. This looks good. 58 euros a night for this hotel room. It seemed to be the cheapest on offer in Brussels, and it doesn't look too bad. It's right in the center. Perfect. Good morning from this beautiful hotel room here in Brussels. We had a really nice relaxing sleep last night. Yesterday afternoon we went out and checked out the town and enjoyed some Belgian frites and waffles and picked up a few supplies from the supermarket. We got a range of Belgian beers for a nice beer tasting and a hot chicken so we can stock up on protein for our long day of riding. We're planning to ride to Waterloo today Managed to charge all our power banks, filled our water bottles. I think we're ready to go. Leaving Brussels this morning. I got one more stop to make. Things are getting a bit out of order. I'm gonna find a place to get a haircut. Perfect. New smooth look. It's time to head south. Yeah. This is the park of Brussels. It's still in the city. You could certainly wild camp in here. If you set up at night and pack down before the sun came up, no problem.
We made it to Waterloo. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. Belgian beer. And pizza.
This is the actual battle site at Waterloo, where Napoleon fought Wellington, right here. We're looking for a place to pitch for the night. It's still quite early. We haven't had dinner yet, but we found this great big open space right next to a forest, and there's just paths like cycle walking trails everywhere. You can sometimes get onto the edges of the fields. This one's perfect on this side. There's no crops in that field, and behind that tree there I'm going to put the tent on this side. So now we just wait till it gets dark and then we move over to our camping spot. Should be a good night. Okay, I'm just laying low. You won't believe why. I can't make this stuff up. I'm hiding from a hot air balloon. Can you believe it? Shivers. There's another one. It's like the Zeppelins descending on us.
They're looking at us.
They can't see us. Okay, they're landing in the field we were just about to camp in. This doesn't get any weirder. Let's get back in the forest. I don't think they saw us.
What the hell? I hope they don't ruin our camping spot. They're gonna have vehicles turn up and people moving around and packing up the thing, and yeah.
How long do you think it takes to pack up a hot air balloon?
An hour longer.